Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, kindly do to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So guys, without too much of your time, let's get right into the gist of today. So guys, last night was really late as Obi Cubana himself invited Portable and the likes of SpeedDarlington to his Enugu club, the Gustavo club at Enugu, and it was really packed and everybody just loved the performance of Zazu and SpeedDarlington. And I say SpeedDarlington self get your own weary for body, and I think one Dubi Gustavo was also doing a birthday, so that is why they actually invited Portable, SpeedDarlington and some other performing acts. But the main artists that were present at this club was just Portable and SpeedDarlington at Cubana Gustavo in Enugu. So guys, I'm just going to allow you to enjoy Portable's performance and SpeedDarlington's performance. It was really late. So guys, I'll see you towards the end of this video. Don't go anywhere.
Zazu, the most finest Zazu, the most handsome Zazu, the most prettiest Zazu, the most delicious Zazu, the Portable Zazu. Zazu, you find no mind them.
Are you mad or Zazu?
Are you wired?
Are you mad or Zazu? Yeah, they hate, but they know.
What am I saying?
When it's on the pop, they have no say.
Going non-stop, Zazu, she, Ika, that's so true, Vitalanta.
Listen now, are you ready now? Listen now, are you ready now? Listen now, are you ready now?
My head, Kala, Daju.
Fan is popping heavy. Tonight, this is the place to be. Everybody, I need you at one time say happy birthday! Yeah. Hey, don't forget I'm running for president of Nigeria. 2020. I take the first step here. I'm not regular. I come through like
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video to the end. So between Portable and SpeedDarlington, who's your favorite? Because both of them, they have similar attitudes. So guys, I would love to know who you prefer among Zazu and SpeedDarlington. So guys, this is how I'll be signing out for now. See you in another video. Bye for now.